the indeed OSP in by and say abanya etia konwemu. And the reason why we even need the independence of the OSP ne say they are omoye prosecution omo de nsem court omo a oman no esika kodi omo and as oman japade bia den akodi omo na ye timemfo ye say ye mpene ma obi mbedi oman so mefo oman japade ne oman sika nko enti ye di OSP ne ba abebo me tuna bisa nyem nyina
87.9 Kumasi
enti Sir John ene tifu a ye tifu din asem we tintin eyititi yawo ade na NDC aban under John Dramani Mahama mubeto ye a munim se OSP no ebitimi achi obi a owo sa aban we mu a owia aban ni sika owia aban ni japade na mahwe se tumi a OSP no wo sa odi obi be kokota di na asama prosecutor no yenje sa tumi ni free nsa no automatically I to say and no contract here.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Ya what did ma Ibrahim Mahama. They make out as here. Ghana ni bia tia. Etwitwe nasum on tiasie. Because Mose process this start here whilst the MPP was in office. But the fact remains is say omo report about Bontin and not report in the say other companies omuka Ibrahim Mahama company who are no ni nuane mampani no omu qualify that they should have given us the list of companies no omuka ho nanka Ghana fo ni nyantiase say oh companies we mu nyina ye Ghanaian owned companies no they didn't qualify inti ediama oh please patcho yedi o kasana mti ya nse me pesa inti those companies na enye qualified no ene ye gina so those some companies ni na Ghanaians na tumi aye a fair assessment me patcho BDC me relate no automatically attorney general no oye adwuma ma aban o tiase inti besi na aban we ye tia kunwa nsuo dream die project kankan ne ketasese e koso a judge OSP ni power to prosecute every nsem no e besi na members of this government appointees under this government so OSP the command attorney general say nipa we wo aban no dream die project ketasese ne kankan se ni yehu no and as wa John Dramani Mahama aban ne wono asan ba biemu se bibi se koso biemu a ye pese prosecute na. Do you think the attorney general will just go ahead and prosecute? Yes. So I believe, sir, once the OSP, okay, is under one way or the other, then or you're part of the judiciary as an arm of government, and you say when it comes to democracy, the judiciary as an arm of government, your judges, I didn't think you want that right, because say and person and some no dinner temu free mubano. Okay, Ubia be control Ubia be so. That is why we give them that independence. And to say OSP no oye independence obey prosecution. Aye ni jume di ediation and sa. Aban A, aban B, aban C, he can do his work independently. In certain thing, he just had 2 minutes free in him. Some free say, Sir OSP say na wo kase. Nkofu bia dwe kra ye mo say duplication of funds na. Then clear it, you free work. But you don't maintain it and then take the powers now one infinity. It doesn't make sense. They make out here because OSP no he needs that independence no. Send you see say be the example. Send me na secretary say be a good border. Na OSP the Akoma attorney general say a person prosecute. Do you think attorney general will just give the go ahead say
why they create that lapses no call it or gap na and yama will be a found say is it that from the onset to them rano yan you know who want to shembrani and I'm they will be a call to have that power no and I said that ruling na bano
hey me chasi and me come away I say and because say oh mine no baby you do you hear a specific institution. We know that attorney general prosecution. But then be the nasem kwa. A bit me 10 years, 15 years. Kwa nasem no. It me can we. And to say OSP ne juma aye dia shen and set through specification a specific say omo aye dia ban
obi a challenge
me ba bisi so nya abotre me ba bisi so obi a challenge but identity challenge na nipa na challenge no yes specifically with prosecution o jazie you see wojuma wo nyina ye ni problem bia wojuma no ho say emra ni sisi but the right you have to prosecute ye gisa emra na ide na chese ye nyano man DC for you say obi oti wono ma wo tie de ekoso bia no adwenya nipa na nyina na say mamumu na mubu na mpanifo a mudi tumi asom nsa no you are ready to mess up. Why other MPP better so who can 2017 asemi yantan so 8 years yanti sema you be kan but yankase ye dwo mutumi na firi no nsem okay we change okoye no nipa foforo ye den e baaye
okay until we ma
nipa foforo e baaye or react am so react
no there's no time for it
ye kanyina na say
there's no time for it
you shouldn't be John Dramani Mahama and the NDC they be amekase second time here no we shouldn't be John Dramani Mahama what be dia memu ni bi wakoto opposition 8 years nti wo say banning mistakes say cause na sa pragia ambulance here dia be MPP aba provide a world state of the art ambulances dia ma various constituencies enne pragia ye the pragia ye health work ye the pragia ye health work
constituencies now working how many of them go for
me see
report from the Ghana ambulance service normally how many areas remote areas are ambulance me call
me see
so if this is coming to provide support and may access those areas
me see ye health workers ni health officers e dem ku nkrase so mko adwuma yes praga no mu deserve ana uchase
I see me that
say wona e de wo ku nkrase krade akoy adwuma no wo kra ne nke ye wo senke ye ma conditions of work na nasa service no e kama
that's pa I see me controls